The pantry and the corner cupboard are in position. And this one is for the sink. Have partially put it together. Rest of the kitchen still to go. Bench tops, I think. And that's the colour of the bench tops. Still to put cupboards here. A corner cupboard like that will be in there. And fridge somewhere there. And there's the kitchen coming together. The kitchen is coming together here at the Narrung House. It's really coming together. The kitchen, the house. That's the fan. And I'll show you the remote control that the fan has. This is the remote control. Fairly straightforward when you get to know how to use it. Lots of buttons to use on it. There will probably be more of the house to go. There will probably be more of a change next time I come down to Narrung. And thank you for watching. Join in next time. Thank you for watching.